Hey guys, this is Chanel LV. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Today's video is another unboxing, and I believe I met the bag limit purchase for this month, since Chanel is now monitoring your bag purchases in case you guys were not aware of it. Unless you are very important client that you can probably purchase and be exempted to this rule. Let's get started. Here it is. Here is my receipt. The tag is hidden here. Normally it's hanging on the bag, but this time it's just like this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right. It's like magic, right? Glad they got a box for this piece. Let's open. Here is the dust bag. It's really wrapped, you guys. Let's unwrap. Here it is. It's the extra mini Coco handle. On the tag, it says the color is light pink, 21P collection. Wow, look at this, guys. Light pink. When the SA texted me the picture, it's kind of like beige pink. Some of the Chanel lovers are talking about that this is like more on a pink side or more on a beige side. So here it is. Closer look in caviar leather, shiny gold tone hardware. Look how beautiful. As you can see, it has a defined quilting. You can see the stitching really well on this leather. So look at this, perfectly shaped. I am under natural lighting. I don't have my lights on yet. The length is 7 inches here on the bottom, and it tapers up, which becomes 6.5 inches. Here is the side. And again, it's like in triangular shape. I did a thorough review on this on my recent unboxing for the black and the burgundy color. So this is 3.5, and again it tapered all the way up to 2 inches. Your storing capacity narrowed up. The height is about 5.25 inches. The back with that cute Mona Lisa pocket. Very pretty. The color of this bag depends on how the light reflects on it. So what do you guys think so far of the color? Here's the other side. And the bottom. Just a flat leather design. 4 feet right there to protect the bottom. Here is the strap. It has a detachable strap. CC logo here on the clasp. The top handle drop is 2.5 inches. So you can slide your hand in there. This is the beauty of this bag. You can remove this strap. So here is the strap. Let's look inside. Here you go, under the flap. Right here. And the inside of the bag. Look how they pack this very carefully. Wow, this looks roomier than my previous burgundy and the black extra mini Coco handle. Look, I can easily slide my hand without struggle. Because the last time when I did review and unboxing of this, I could barely put my hands inside. But this is, for some reason, wider opening. Oh, by the way, the lining of this extra mini Coco handle is in leather. It's leather line, you guys, not textile. Maybe that's the difference between the black and the burgundy that I had unboxed. And this piece is made in Italy. Let's find the authenticity card. Here it is. I was able to pull it out quickly. So beautiful. Leather line, as I mentioned. Here's the zipper pocket at the back and another flat pocket compartment in the middle. So smooth inside. Let's put this back. No struggle, you guys. Let's see if I can zip it. The leather is so smooth, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is super duper cute. All right. That's all I'm gonna share with you today. I just want to share this light pink color with you guys. I hope you enjoy my unboxing, and if you do, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe. Bye!